Hi, my name is Sydney.
My name is Oluwabameshe Afolabi.
My name is Alex, and this is my Knox.
This is my Knox.
This is my Knox. This is our Whitcomb Art Center, or WAC as we like to call it. If you are an art major, we like to call you a WAC rat.
Students like it because that building gives them the opportunity to express themselves.
I think an art-specific building in and of itself is really, really exciting. I'm just always happy to go to WAC. There's paintings and sculptures everywhere. That's the best part of the day, is just getting to go to WAC. It's a really pretty building.
This actually used to be a lumber yard, and now we have built it into be this beautiful building that has a lot of different green awards. Air in the building actually circulates every 7 minutes, so if you're ever working with fumes or paints, you don't have to worry about it. It has ambient lighting, so when it's bright outside, the lights inside naturally dim to save energy.
You can see your art, you can see what you're working on. It was designed specifically to be an art building. It's cool to have a building that was designed for you.
That building was constructed with the purpose of giving students the opportunity to explore the field of art and see what would really interest them and how they can better develop themselves and refine their skills. There's a ceramic studio, there's a woodwork studio, there's a metal studio, and they're trying to develop themselves to make sure that they're competitive for the market.
As an art history major, I take history classes and art classes. It's the best thing ever. I've taken ceramics, there's a really cool sculpture class, digital photography, smartphone photography, and all of it is open to everybody. Anybody can take those classes. It's really accessible. I think that's the coolest part.
Knox is a liberal arts school, which means that you are going to take classes that maybe you didn't think you were going to take. It's going to help you be a well-rounded student. I had a friend who did not want to take an art class and was very upset about it. She ended up taking a ceramics class and is now a ceramics minor because she found out that she loves it, which is not an opportunity she would have had without this liberal arts education. In this building, we have a lot of visual arts.
We have our own visual arts journal. Students can submit to this journal, and then they'll have pictures professionally taken of their work, and it'll be published in an actual book.
A couple of students actually had an exhibition of their project. We also have the Brazello Gallery over at CFA. Students actually work here and they take some of their projects over to the gallery, or sometimes they help to curate that gallery. I think students are really making use of that opportunity.
In this section of WAC, we can actually see a prime example of one of our immersion terms on campus. I love immersion terms. They basically are just kind of a testament to the human-powered experience that we have here at Knox. An immersion term is basically when you don't take any classes and you work on one project or one experience for the entire term, checking in with professors. And it's the same credit as if you were taking 3 classes. So this one right here is actually studio art term. These are all seniors or upperclassmen who are working on their art portfolio all day, every day, and they meet with their professors once or twice a week. There's always something new here, and there's always something really cool to look at.